Hey traders! Did you know you can identify support and resistance levels or trend direction and momentum using a single indicator? Welcome back. In today's video, we will learn about the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo indicator and how to automate a strategy in a SpeedBot using this indicator. Let's get started. The Ichimoku Cloud, also known as the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo, is a technical analysis indicator used to identify support and resistance levels, trend direction, and momentum. Key components of this indicator are: Tenkan Sen, or conversion line, is a short-term moving average that represents the current market sentiment. Kijun Sen, or baseline, is a longer-term moving average that indicates the general trend direction. Senkou Span A, or leading span A, is a future support resistance level that is plotted 26 periods ahead. Senkou Span B, or leading span B, is another future support resistance level that is plotted 52 periods ahead. Chikou Span, or lagging span, is the closing price that has shifted 26 periods back, which is used to confirm the trend. Now let us understand what a cloud is. The cloud is the shaded area between Senkou Span A and Senkou Span B. Its color, green or red, indicates the trend direction. A green cloud indicates an upward trend, and a red cloud indicates a downward trend. Let's understand what each cloud indicates. Price above cloud, bullish trend. Price below cloud, bearish trend. Cloud thickening, potential reversal. Cloud thinning, potential continuation. Tenkan Sen crossing Kijun Sen, strong trend signal. Now that we have a basic understanding of the Ichimoku Cloud, let's automate a strategy using this indicator on SpeedBot. We will make an equity bot. Let the bot name be, and interval be 15 minutes. And for the symbol, we will use Microsoft Corporation common stock. And continue. We will be taking long position. So let's set entry condition. Firstly, Ichimoku Cloud as an indicator. Conversion line 9. Baseline period 26. Leading span B 52. Displacement 26. Line as baseline, with an offset of 0. And now for conversion line. Ichimoku Cloud as an indicator. Conversion line 9. Baseline period 26. Leading span B 52. Displacement 26. Line as conversion line, with an offset of 0. Now let us set exit condition. Ichimoku Cloud as an indicator. And when conversion line goes below baseline, we will take the exit. For further risk management, we will add target of 40% and stop loss of 10%. And continue. Next is to set the position. With position value 10. Order type market. Market type MIS intraday. And square off time 15 o'clock. Save and continue. And now our strategy is ready. Let's backtest it. Start date as 8th September 2022 to 4th September 2024. Save and backtest. Our backtesting report is ready. We can analyze our strategy in this report and make necessary changes.